Today we're going to be doing a review of the MBS manufacturing cam bearing installer for Milwaukee 8. Alright, let's walk through this. So what you get is the plate, forcing screw, and the adapter. So the plate's not labeled, but it will only fit one way. So once I've figured out which way, just mark on the top. So first we'll assemble it. Let's put some oil in the screw. Screw it in about halfway or so. Then install the adapter onto the screw. Next we'll get our bearing, some oil on it. And then number side bearing facing the plug. So now that I have this labeled top, and it comes with the nice little thumb screws. So get these started about most of the way. And then thread the forcing screw in. Keep your finger on the bearing so the bearing doesn't fall out like it just did. Then I'll screw it in by hand so it just centers itself on the hand bearing hole, and then just back it off quarter turn. Tighten the thumb screws. Tighten that back up by hand. And grab your ratchet. Tighten it till it bottoms. Back it off. Now where this tool is nice is if you already own the collet remover, like I did in my last video. So you don't have to buy the whole remover and installer, you can just buy this installer if you already have the other for a fraction of the price of some of the big name tools. And it's Now this tool sets it to the proper depth, but I always like to check. So just take it back apart. If you're wondering the website for the tool, it's www.mbsmfg.com. I'll try and put it in the description of the video too. So now we got the plate back out. To check the depth, just put it back on here. You can just put two in it for this. Grab your vernier. Let's get some light. So then we'll just go, actually first, get a 0, measure the plate thickness, 0 that out, and then we'll measure from the top of the plate to the bearing. 3.7. So we got 3.700. The factory spec is 3. Forgot what the spec was. So the factory spec is 3.737 plus or minus 20 thou. So we would end up being 17 thou. Proud of where it's supposed to be, but I checked this with put a support plate in it and put the cam in there, check the end play, tons of end play. That's very minute. Still good to go. So, hope everyone enjoyed that review, and this is a great tool. Have a great day.